Maybe you've heard about custom GPT, but are you using this correctly? Hello, I'm Thais Maia from the AI Atelier. In this video, we're going to explore the customs GPT universe and how they can be a key to efficiency and innovation for your business. We're going to talk about which ones you should have for your company, regardless of its size, and I will also give one for free. And this one, in my opinion, it's one that everybody should use in their life. So you've probably heard about ChatGPT, but maybe you've heard about Customs GPT, but maybe you have not. So we're living in this bubble that I think everybody know what's custom GPT is and automation and everything, but that's not true because I've been asking around people from all over the world, and if I say, hey, have you tried custom GPTs? And they say, what? Custom what? And that's exactly what we are going to talk about today. And maybe you already built one, but you don't know which ones should you build for your own company. So if you never heard about them, here on ChatGPT, if we click on GPTs right here, you can find a lot of them, but those you don't know who built, right? So we have some path here. We can build our own GPT, and we have a video on this channel that I teach you how to do it. So don't worry, you're going to know how to make your own. But also you can search one right here on GPT Store. Maybe you want to know better about NA10, and then if I do it like this, we will find one about NA10. Wait, there we go. And we can click and see how many people already tried. So a lot of conversations right here, and also the rating. So the rating is pretty good as well. So we can start chatting, and then we can have a conversation about something on NA10, or even you can also even ask for a workflow or something like that. But if you don't get it what I'm saying, don't worry. You can also search for Canva or some or searching for, or you can just see here like this one, humanize AI. So this is a nice one because it helps you to create content like a human and not like ChatGPT. So that's very interesting. So we have the one that we can craft our own. We can also search online here. We can buy one from somebody. We can sell one actually, and the other one we can add those same logical stuff and put it in an automation, but that's for another video, and we have plenty of videos about automations right here. But sometimes we don't need that. We just need a path here that it's simple, that it's nice to use it on ChatGPT, and that's why we are going to do it today. And I will show you 5 types of GPTs that you can create for your own brand. So what are Customs GPT? Customs GPT are personalized versions of GPT that functions like super intelligent employee, training specifically for your company's needs. So that's the beauty also for about GPTs and personalized and assistant, because we can train and be very precise on about our business, so on the documents and everything that we have about our business or even for about our lives. So it's very personalized, tailored. That's something that I love. So as I said, like company data, your specific information, your business rules. So that's very different than only asking ChatGPT. So it's amazing what we can do. And the key business benefits. So I really believe that GPTs can help in operation efficiency, also in customer service. So it supports like 24/7. You need to pay ChatGPT for to create those GPTs, but the people that use, they don't need to pay it. So that's something already. And precision and personalization, as I said, it's the beauty of it. And practical applications. So what I think, those 5 GPTs that you can create for your company. So recruitment assistant, so it can help your company with the CVs that people send. It can also like write the right message. And once you are training the AI with a human being, maybe your HR or maybe even yourself, it's better because you gather data The later you can train an automation to do that. But in the beginning, we don't have a lot of data. Maybe you do know the candidates that you want to hire and stuff, but it's a bit tricky with AI. So if you train in ChatGPT first, you only pay for custom GPT, you only pay for ChatGPT, and then you can train. You can really, like have maybe a document with the data, the chats that you are doing. So it's very important to be organized here, because sometimes on ChatGPT we lose the chat, so it's very important to organize everything. But that's a really good tool. So it's trained for your business with the CVs and people that you want, and also with a human being that will help you. But we get so much productivity with that it's incredible. Also, it's the company week. If we hire someone, we can train the ChatGPT, the GPT, to know about our company or about our business. And then those who are entering our company, of course, I believe in onboarding, I believe in one-to-one meetings. I'm not talking about that. What I'm talking about, it's like maybe the person has a question that it's super simple, but then the person will ask somebody, and maybe it's just, like just talk to the GPT, and then it's trained with your policies, your company documents, and everything. Of course, we need to be always careful about the GPTs, the documents that we put on the GPT. Maybe it's better to sign for GPT Enterprise if you can do that. But if those documents are okay, if it's not really, really, like privacy and stuff, then it's fine, like you can train that, and then the person can talk with the GPT and know more about the company and gain productivity again. And also acquisition channel. I love that one, because if I will come back to ChatGPT and I will click here. So you're going to understand. We can see a GPT, we can create a GPT for an acquisition channel. Why? Remember that I told you that if we click here on GPTs, if I get search a GPT, we can have our own GPT about your business, your company. So let's say I create a GPT that it helps us to create content for X and threads. Okay. And what's going to happen if you search about how can I create content for threads? A lot of not a lot of people are creating content, and not a lot of GPTs there. So my name it's right here. So my social medias it's here. I can publish my LinkedIn page, also my website, and also my X. So I just left the LinkedIn, but I could publish one of those three, or also all of them. And here we have like a little of what we are going to help, and the person can start talking to it. And if it's really good, maybe they will see, okay, that brought me value. So maybe should I talk to them? Maybe they can help me with something. I don't know if you sell a service, if you sell a product, even like if you sell a service or even a product, like if you help, we do have like this consulting that they sell. It's like a pill for hangover, so you don't get hangover. And what we are building with them, it's a custom GPT that helps them uh, create new drinks with they have in their house or buying and stuff. On that, what we can do, we can put like, I don't know, affiliate links to buy on Amazon, so we can make money off that. But that's not the point. It's like, hey, so since you are building this amazing drink with our GPT, maybe you need a pill so you don't get hangover in the next day and you feel better, right? So that's the thing, like how can you in that case, like if we don't sell that, we don't, that's really for us, this one. But how can we do something like, hey, if you create content to X and Threads, maybe you want to create content for Instagram or Shorts on YouTube. So have you tried clone yourself? We can help you with that. So go to your video engine. So you send the link for the website, and then boom, it's maybe the person can sign for our service and wants to hire us. So that's the thing, like, so I really believe in that. Not many people, a lot of people, but not many people comparing the whole world are using GPTs right now. And I think people will do a lot that. So yeah, so that's an acquisition channel and even to sell your product. And of course, I will talk about our product as well because we craft a GPT for clients as well if needed. So we can automate the full process, the video automation, right? But we do have, it's a service, so it's different, it's tailored for each client. But if the client wants to craft their own scripts before the clones and before your clone, your voice, the full automation, the video editing, and we publish the video also on your social medias. Before we have this step, it can be fully automated or not. If you don't want to fully automate it because you want a bit of control on the script, we craft a GPT, we craft an assistant, could be an assistant or on Claude or something. But if the person wants a GPT, as we have some clients that they do, we craft a GPT for the client, helping them to create content. So that's amazing as well. And if you want to have, like videos fully automated on your channels, we help you with that. Our link it's on the description below. Just click here and then we will get in touch. Okay. And another one that I believe in is the salesperson GPT. So I have a GPT that helps me with breaking the objections of people that I need to sell something. And it's amazing. It's trained by spin selling. So I really like and enjoy this framework of spin selling, and it helped me. It helped me a lot. So maybe you can create a custom GPT that helps your sales team to craft more sales. What I mean, it's like sometimes we're tired. I'm a salesperson, but sometimes I'm tired. I don't know how to answer the client, or maybe I need help. So if I put maybe like the whole conversation with the client, or like if I have the transcription of the meeting, even if it's in person or if it's online it's super easy. In person, I record all the meetings and then I transcript everything with AI. I can ask my GPT that it's trained with my company documents, my scripts, my sales offer, and everything. And we craft together the best answer and maybe the best offer. So it's very nice. It can help a lot of teams, even like beginners, like if you have like a closer in your company that it's new, the GPT can help. So I think it brings a lot of value for your company. And also the Instagram post script. So as I said, maybe you can have one that helps you, like we do have a lot of here. So I have for Thais Maia, that it's my other channel in Portuguese, but we do have for like helping LinkedIn content, or we do have for Threads, we do have for Instagram, and you can also build your own. It is going to be faster because you do have all the information about your brand. So we help you with that as well on your video engine. And also in our community, if you want to check our free community on Skool, I will leave in the description the link as well, so you can check. We have some classes, free classes about content creation with AI. And if you want to create your custom GPTs for your own business, we have a full guide, a full video that you can watch right now. I will leave in the description below the links. And yes, what I think it's the best path. It's like, okay, which of those five or which ideas I got from this video that I can craft my own GPTs. And then with that, you watch the video so you can go step by step and create and craft your own GPT. And of course, I will talk about automations. If you do that, the same logic about crafting and creating, it's the ones that you're going to use on GPTs on NA10, for example, or Make, or I don't know, Zapier, something like that, or even on Vibe Coding, Vibe Marketing as Bolt, New, or Lovable, or Replit. I want to make a simple video that you can use right away and create your GPT. I use a lot of GPT, even though I know how to manage those tools about automations. It's my go-to, but I do have a lot of automations with prompts that it's pretty similar or sometimes even the same as I do on my GPTs, or and then I can use Cloud AI or something like that, or even Perplexity, whatever LLM you want to use it. But it's nice to have those GPTs. It's super simple for your business. You don't need a lot of practice. You don't need to teach everyone how to automate or whatever. You can just go on ChatGPT and give your employees a link, and it's super easy. But know that we do have integrations, automations. We are aware of it, and you can also be as well. So if you want to go one step ahead, you can study a bit about NA10 and automations. We have a lot of videos about that here in our channel and also in our free community on Skool. You can check there as well. As I said, we're going to give you a free GPT about Ikigai. I love Ikigai, the concept and everything, and I think you would love to. So, yeah, just do it, and you can also send to your employees. And it's a very nice concept. You can chat with ChatGPT, our custom GPT about Ikigai, ask what it is and everything. You can get the full experience using it. And yes, and if you do it and if you like it, please come back to this video and share your thoughts and your ikigai, and I would love to see that. And if you like this video, please click in the like button. That helps us a lot. Also subscribe to the channel. It means a lot to us as well. And if you want our help with your content creation, clones and video automation, please check our video engine website. We are doing our best job ever, and we are on the top of the wave of technology about cloning and helping you create content, like really consistent content about your business and about your personal brand. So if you want to create your own custom GPT, you can check this video right here. I hope you have a great journey using AI to be productive and also to and make time for what matters to you. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.